Hi, son.
Hi, Mom.
Why do you call me? Can I help you with something?
Do we need some waiting for our Hamptons party?
Yes, son. Tell me what do you need? I am ready available.
Okay, sure.
Yes, but I have not bought a hit. What about Luke? What am I going to give him?
Don't worry about that. I bought the present for our aunt.
That's great. What did you buy?
I bought a blue blouse for her new shoes. She looks awesome.
Sounds good. What time is the party and where is she at this moment?
At 3 p.m. It's at an Italian restaurant.
Does my sister know about the party?
Remember, it's a surprise party.
Then I will arrive 10 minutes earlier.
Why don't we meet at 2:30?
Of course, perfect. Don't you want me to buy something?
Don't forget to buy the soda.
I don't forget. Anything else?
Some snacks.
Okay, see you there.
See you, the moms. I cannot wait to enjoy this party. Bye.
Bye.